Alright. Part 7, we're heading to Ballamora. Oh, I should put this, I forget. I guess I left this over there the whole time. Didn't even know my health. Should have left that over there. I think Ballamora will be to the left down here. Yeah. Okay, we're going the right way. The 411's crazy awesome. Crazy slander. Here's Ballamora. Look at that silt strider. Giant tick-like thing. I think this guy, yeah, he was a member of the Blades that's at the Fighters Guild. Well, we dice those guys up. Is he here? Is this where he was? I can't remember. Yeah, here he is. Ass fat ass fat attaboyus. Wow. Dwemer puzzle box. The little cube I'm looking for is about the size of a fist, maybe a little bigger. Yeah, I found it. What? I have it right here, my guy. Perfect. Okay, favor is what it was. Perfect. Just what I was looking for. Let me take this Dwemer puzzle box and then I'll tell you what Caius will want you to know about the sixth house and about the Nervine. By the way, the inscription on the box seemed to be the directions for setting a Dwemer key to open a specific lock. If you're interested, after you deliver the report to Caius, come back and maybe I'll have a key you can take back. Oh yeah, for that room. Okay, back to our Blades member, Caius, our shirtless drunkard Blades boss. Okay. Oh my gosh, I can't remember my house. I think it's in Balamora. Was my house. Here's my boss, guys.
I see I stand in good company. What can I do for you?
Okay, duties or orders? Yeah. Okay. No. Sixth house? What? Blades? Blades trainers. Okay, come on. It told me to report back to him. Delivered my report. Can't just click every single one? What the hell? What? What's happening here? Why can't I deliver my report? Ah. Okay. I see. And I have to. Okay, orders. What? I have to get naked and try? Okay, so where? Okay. Well, getting naked with Chaos didn't work, so we're gonna head back and see if we missed something from Hasfat here. Okay. Dude, Mr. Assfat won't tell us. What the hell? What the hell? Hello, have a great day at work. Love you. Love you. Oh, notes added. Perfect. Now we head back to Chaos.
Very funny. Now put some clothes on.
No, I won't. I'm liking my vibe right now. Blue skies, no shirt on, sunny day in Vardenfell. They could do with redoing, honestly, making a new Morrowind. Honestly. I know they're not yet because they have this, but they didn't even do the full province of Morrowind. They only did Vardenfell, the island, the middle island. It'd be cool to actually get to see the entirety of. Okay. What are my new orders? I've glanced at the cover of the 6th House admirably, but not the Nevergreen Cult. Hopping over to the Baltimore Mages Guild. It's right next to the Baltimore Fighters Guild. Get Sharn Gruz Mazagob to tell you what she knows about the Nevergreen. She'll have some silly errand for you. Do what she asks and report back when she's giving you the information. Okay. Time to put on my equipment again. Okay. We're heading to the Mages Guild. Guild of Mages. Who do I need to talk to?
This is unexpected. What can I do for you, friend? Please go ahead.
Here you are. Andrano Ancestral Tomb. Tomb is south. Tomb is south of Pelagia, just off the road, just before you reach the fork. North from Vivek to Balamora. Okay.
Of course.
Oh, we got some stuff to sell, actually. Easy, good stuff. Okay. Let's go get that key from the Fighters Guild guy still. I honestly might want to go finish up that Dwemer ruin first. See what they got locked in there. Key to lower. Oh shit. Okay, so now I can go back there. We're gonna probably do that first before continuing the Blades quests. See what the ruins have for us. Whoa, a niche. Look at that guy. Beautiful. We're in the West Gas region. Yeah, aren't they? Nice, we're almost to the ruins again. I like this crank to open the door. I think it's funny and clever. Okay, we have the key now. Let's see what other secrets these ruins hold. Yes. That's my goat. My fiance, actually. Down here is the locked door. Okay, have a good one. You feeling all right? Okay. Am I getting hit by something? Yeah. Who are you? Who's attacks me? Oh! That's terrifying. What are you? A Dwemer spider? It's a mechanical spider. Centurion spider. Oh shit. I'm going down, spider. Okay, we're down into the deeps now. Was this a ghost? Whoa, it's a Dwemer ghost. That's crazy. I didn't know these were in here in this game. Oh, go down. Where's what? Another ghost. Okay. We need to get our fatigue up. Fortify health. Fatigue, fatigue, health, health, health. I'm literally fighting a ghost in the dark. Come here, ghost, so people can see it at least. Longer than most fucking marriages we've have been together forever. Going down. Okay. Ghosts defeated. Okay, let's go over to magic here. This is a dead end. Okay, it's a dead end. We are going to keep going this way. Whoa, look at that door. I think 4 of these. Oh, these spiders are tough. I'm out of fatigue. That's what it is. Okay, we're gonna heal up. Thank you. Appreciate that. Dwemer left Pauldron. Now we're in the big money. Look at that. We are about to really get a kid up now. So 33. Okay, it's the same as my other Pauldron, but look at that. That's just gonna look sick once we get a full piece. And an ancient Dwemer key too. Ooh, what do we got over here? Nothing really. That's the door we came through. Let's go up. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, there's a real scary one. Look at that. It's a Dwemer sphere. Oh no. Okay, we got it. Good. An honorary clam slammer. And this is back this way. And this is where we fought the ghosts. Okay. So it must be up through here. There must be something, maybe. Is that where I came in? Have we looted it all? Really? I'm a fool for hitting those, but I'm not scared of traps. Well, now we're talking. What's down here? We got lava. Is that it? They're pumping lava. Okay. Boom. Spell unlocked. Dwemer shield acquired. Let's go. So my shield is 33 and this one is 33, but it's cooler. So, whatever. Local map. Does actually look like there might be. More this way? Deep ore passage? Oh yeah. What's going on in here? We're deep in the ground now. Let's see. I'm gonna make it a little bit brighter for you guys. It's miserable for me, but something's shooting me. Come on. Come on. Going down. Heal up. Easy. We're finding the secrets. Woohoo. Some strength. Some speed. Some agility, because we are slow. Do a save since we leveled up. So I guess weapons auto recharge. It's good to know. Where I'm deep in this place. What the hell? This place is huge, huge. What? Is there even a way up that high? I don't see a way up there. Interesting. Just playing some Morrowind, Gage. I'm simultaneously streaming and doing a video for my Morrowind playthrough. So how do I get up there? 'Cause I hear stuff up there. Oh. Maybe not, it was right here. They were called Centurion spiders before. Let's go. Me and you. Let's go, bro. I'm going down. Okay, that shit does not hit. Come up here, bro. My blade's breaking. Come on. Going down. Probably need to repair some more gear here. There we go. Hey, we got some Dwemer gear, which is pretty awesome. I won't lie. Okay. Whoa! So you were alive in here still? A quadruple double tonight. Yeah, you're gonna have to do something. That's crazy. Oh yeah, game 2 tonight. Let's go Knicks. see, so they were vibing in here. Journeyman's lockpick, a Dwemer coin, some goblets. Alright. Let's go. We came out with some loot again. I mean, I feel like I can say I successfully cleared this place, so that's nice. Three stream streak. There's a really cliff racer right here. Die, cliff racer. Alright, we're rested up. EP boy, EP video boy. Be back at 2 p.m. Brooks, how late did you guys go last night? Wonder, I could have still missed something there, but okay.
Well met.
Have a good day. Love you. Have a great shift. Alright. That was part 7. We successfully have looted the hell out of those Dwemer ruins, and we have our next orders from Chaos. And we're gonna have to do part 8 real soon. This is how far we've made it so far, though. Our quest continues to hunt down the Neverine and find information on what is going on in Vardenfell.